Hi friends and welcome back to Storytime with me, DLee Santa Maria. But of course, you can call me DLee. Today's story is called Encanto, Family is Everything, and it's written by Luz Maria Mack. I have a story, what could it be? I have a story, come listen and see. I have a story, what could it be? Gather round to read with me. Encanto, Family is Everything. This is Mirabel Madrigal. She is kind and funny and she loves her family. Her family lives in a magical home named Casita. Mirabel has two older sisters. Luisa is strong. Isabella can make flowers. She is perfect. She and Mirabel do not get along. Mirabel is the only one who does not have a magical gift. Her mom worries that she feels left out. Mirabel is still special. Abuela looks out for the family and the magic of Casita. One night, Mirabel overhears Abuela. Abuela says the magic of Casita is dying. Bruno is Mirabel's uncle. He can see the future. He saw the magic dying. Mirabel thinks Luisa knows about Bruno's vision, but Luisa is upset. Everyone wants her help. Mirabel listens to Luisa. Luisa feels better. She tells Mirabel to check Bruno's tower for the missing vision. Mirabel finds the pieces of Bruno's vision. She is at the center. Mirabel finds Bruno hiding inside Casita. Bruno finishes his vision. It shows her and Isabella. Mirabel needs to embrace her sister. Isabella tells Mirabel that being perfect is hard. She makes a cactus. There's more to her than pretty flowers. Casita cracks. Abuela says Mirabel is causing the magic to die. But Mirabel says it is Abuela's fault. Abuela expects too much. Casita falls apart. Abuela finds Mirabel by the river. Abuela is sorry. It is her fault, not Mirabel's. Abuela says Mirabel sees the best in the family. They rebuild Casita. The magic returns. The family Madrigal is closer than ever. The end. I hope you friends enjoyed that story. Until next time, please follow, like, and share.